Hello, I've been making some of these colour charts lately to introduce our brand new in colours, so I thought I would give you a bit of a closer look. We have got at the top here, Secret Sea. This is my absolute favourite, just a really deep blue, somewhere between a charcoal and a navy, I think. So definitely one of my favourites. This is one's going to be ready for greetings and things like that. I love that one. Underneath we have got Strawberry Slush. That is a returning colour, was a colour from a few years ago, and that has made a comeback and looks beautiful with this little arrangement here. We have got Cloud Cover. So that's this sort of, I don't know, smoky grey blue sort of colour that we've got here. Now this one, we don't have ink available in that one when the catalogue goes live just at this stage. They've had a couple of problems with that colour, but I'm going to enjoy using it as cardstock and to coordinate with some of our DSP as well. This beautiful soft orange we've got here. It's almost got like a little, like a soft pinky tone maybe to it. Orange is called Timid Tiger. And then right at the bottom here, we have got Darling Duckling, which is like a yellow. It's got just a tinge of greenish sort of toned yellow to it. So there we have our brand new in colours that will be coming up in May. While I was making the little colour charts, I had a heap of these little strips left over. So I thought while I was at it, I would make some cards as well. So let me give you a look at those. I glued the strips down, some straight onto a base card, some onto a little panel first and then onto the card, cut a couple to some different widths. For my little colour chart here, I just cut these strips to 1.5 centimetres wide, and then they fit nicely onto a little bookmark size thing here. Okay, let's have a look at some finished cards with a greeting on them as well. So this one is let's have a little look here. This one, I have used another new product that's coming up very soon. So it comes out in May in our online exclusives. It's called Blooming Phrases, and it is just gorgeous. I love these ones with the little swoosh at the end. And have a look at the greetings there. I definitely know that I'm going to be using those a lot. They're a really versatile group of greetings that you'll use over and over. So that is that one. And then to stick those on there, I have cut the greeting out using the Textured Notes dies. This is a great set of dies. There's 8 different frames in here, a long skinny one, and then all of these nesting ones here. And you can see they've just got this beautiful little detail around them, each layer. So you can mix and match those. Great for a whole range of size greetings. So I've used one of them on this one. And another one, I'll show you that one in just a second. Okay, let's pop. This one's available now. This is part of our online exclusives that were released in March, so you can get this one now. It's called Textured Notes. All right, let's have a look here. I've used the Secret Sea ink for those ones. This card, if you don't have fancy machine or anything like that, I've just cut that little strip there out of a scrap of cardboard, out of one of my little strips, and then glued him on with some dimensionals to give it a little bit of lift. So all you need for this one is a trimmer and some glue, nice and easy. This one, we need the big shot for that one with a little bit extra detail there. While I was had my butterflies out the other day, I made this one as well. Another one of my leftover strips here. So this paper is absolutely gorgeous. It is called Beautiful Gallery DSP. It's a little 6x6 set, lots of vintage, gorgeous colours in it. And here is one of the pages. I've cut my butterfly. That was from the Beautiful Butterflies dies that we've got here. So I've used these 2 dies for this one, and of course the big body there. And then just added that nice little panel there. It had a couple of the colours in that paper, so that went well on one of my little stripy backgrounds. This was another one of the frames there from Textured Notes dies. Okay, so a whole collection there of cards featuring our lovely new batch of in colours. I wonder if there's some there that you might like to add to your collection. I think Secret Sea is definitely my favourite. I would love to hear about what your favourite is too. Thank you. Thank you for watching today. I've been Sue Maddox from maddoxcreations.com. I hope you've enjoyed a little look at our brand new in colours. There's a like and subscribe button if you'd like to stay in touch with all the latest Stampin' Up news and some card inspiration. Thank you. Bye.